I call the name this hotel, Taman Sari. It's not from me. It's from dream. Maybe it's beyond your common sense in America. But I received this message to name this place Gardens of Angels.
And here, like you could expand it, you know, how far that energy sphere can go. And then bring that circle a little bit higher up. And we're going to energize our solar plexus center or the heart chakra. I mean, the basic story of Sho Ni Shin was that it was developed from, doctors, and given to their sons or the disciples from generation to generation. It's kind of a closed circuit as a way to treat children specifically without the use of needles.
I do what I do because I believe that I much rather help someone than you.
I mean, like, the way I also do it is you can squeeze the skin a little bit. You know, this is like a thin Sari needle. You just go in and out. That's also, and if you're going to use this tool, you just press down, release. And the emphasis is on the release. It's like releasing that heat. So do that 3 times. You see, you get a nice redness here already. And move to the next finger. Color diagnosis on the kid. It doesn't mean that you want to just start treating them, giving them a remedy for liver or for spleen. You know, it's got to be because the child may have show the tendency. I mean, but not necessarily have the manifestation of it. No, that's so. I usually will treat something when the body is actually manifesting it, not just as a tendency. Yeah, I think it's a mistake to do it.
Okay, any teeth coming in? Yeah.
Let's talk about
pain, it will be fine.
Yeah.
Some of them didn't come.
They can just get the massage and actually massage because that's good. There are 3 main things that you want to know about a woman's cycle. The first thing is the actual cycle, the time that, how often does she get a menstrual cycle, and then the blood. What's the amount of blood, the color of the blood, and the consistency of the blood? So you want to ask her questions on all of those 3 things. And then the pain. Usually, a woman will come to you because she's got pain. A woman usually doesn't come because it's irregular or because she gets, But when the pain is there, she wants to relieve that. She'll come to see you. So with the pain, you want to know the time and the type. But when you have a woman who's really in severe pain, like she's double into I can't go to work because the pain is so severe, then you add the sudden smile, right? Yang Hu Suo. You just want to be, quick, so you don't leave it there for too long, So, but still, you get that heat in there. Doesn't it feel nice? You just want to.
So depends.
So then, you know how that feels on your patients.
Yeah. Yes. This is right or?
Well, if she eats only food, yes.
I take you taking picture.
The driver told us that now at 5 o'clock people are coming to bring the offerings.
Yes.
And they drop them off, and then they go back home, and they come back about 8 or 9 o'clock, and they pray till the early morning hours.
Probably the best course I've ever done, I think, because of the setting, but also because of Dr. Soma and how well it was organized, how much information, the content was perfect. I loved the homeopathic remedies that were given, as well as the really good herbal information and point prescription for needles, and differentiation and diagnosis, bringing it back to basics of Chinese medicine was perfect. Being able to come to the ocean in the morning and then go do acupuncture, and then all the Balinese people were so wonderful too. So just the clinics were wonderful, and everybody seemed like, 90% of people really just responded beautifully to the medicine. So everything I wanted.
Yeah, we're not gonna say goodbye.
Yeah.
Just see you
See
later.
you later.
Yeah. I'm Chili Dutch.